If you want to start trading and create a KDX account, 1. Open your browser and go to my website uaeinfoporo.com. There you'll find the post titled How to Create a KDX Account Online Complete Guide. Open it and click the Register on KDX link. 2. You will be taken to the official KDX registration page. Select your country, currency, enter your email, create a strong password, tick the agreement boxes, and click Register. 3. After registration, KDX will send an OTP to your email. Enter it to confirm. Once inside, you can start with a demo account of $10,000 to practice trading. 4. To verify your account, click on the Account tab. Then fill in your personal details, name, date of birth, address. Then upload your ID card, passport, or driver's license, front and back. 5. Wait a few minutes while KDX verifies your documents. Once verified, your account will show verified.